Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, to the old ones and to the new ones. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to give my shoe rack a facelift. To begin, I will scrub the piece with a soapy solution to remove all the grime. Next, I will use holes paste or putty to fill up all these holes and scratches. I'm applying it with a waste card sheet. While the paste is drying, let's remove all the knobs and things from inside the cabinet. Now that this is fully dried, I'll sand over slightly to smoothen out the extra paste using a 120 grit sandpaper and then clean the piece thoroughly again. Once clean, I'm going to give it a whitewash, except the wooden top. I've made my own chalk paint mix using acrylic paint and a bit of plaster of Paris, but you're free to use just acrylic paint as well. I'll apply this with a thick flat brush. Do allow the paint to dry for 24 hours before doing a second coat. Here I have already applied 2 coats of paint on my piece. The top I would be painting later in a grey color. To begin, since I'm using this piece in my entry passage, which is all white with a brownish tiled floor, I decided to make this a pop piece in shades of rust, lilac, green, grey and blue. Being an artist as well, I have the perfect artworks which will go above the console. My lovely one-line face pieces. You can check out the video on how to make them in the link above. To begin, I am going to make random geometric patterns on the shutter using a ruler and pencil. Once my lines are drawn, I'll start taping off sections with masking tape. If you want the white lines to show, then you can mask the whole pattern at one go. But if, like me, you don't want any white lines to show through, but just want clean edges, then put the masking tape on the outside edge of a shape and remove it once you have painted within it. I have taped up parts of my shutter, and I would begin with the rust color. This is just acrylic paint which I am using. On the sides, I choose to make this geometric triangular pattern. I had a stencil for the same, and I've just used different shades of grey to make this. A lot of my footage was lost due to corrupt files, but I go on to complete the piece while taping it off. I made circular patterns on my drawers using a compass and pigment liners and made it partially rectangular and circular. To finish, I spray painted my knobs in a bronze color, fixed everything, and then gave the entire piece a coat of acrylic lac.